7 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Friday. For Muskingum County, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a high wind warning. The high wind watch is no longer in effect for Muskingum County. Northwest winds of 15 to 25 miles an hour are expected with gusts up to 60 miles an hour.
High wind warning.
Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles an hour or gusts of 58 miles an hour or more can lead to property damage.
Uh-oh.
Wind advisory remains in effect until 4 a.m.
Well, guys, as you can hear in the background, it's raining like heck. And plus, my new phone, I was report something. It says here on the third weather alert. So yeah, I apologize, guys. When I was walking today, suddenly it was blowing like crazy, making my blower just going. But fortunately, I hold onto it very tightly. So fortunately, I'm good. So folks, goodbye and have a good afternoon.